Pakistan's media attacked Prime Minister Narendra Modi's 400 Lok Sabha seat target for the National Democratic Alliance as overconfident on Saturday. In a segment aired by Pakistan's Geo News, a reporter stated that Modi's push for 400 seats had been overconfident. If you look at the opposition India bloc and the way they have fought this election, it proves somewhat that the BJP's slogan of crossing 400 seats was made in overconfidence. The Geo News reporter also went on to question the BJP's decision to avoid an election contest in Kashmir after the party decided not to contest in 3 seats. Numerous exit polls released on Saturday showed a path to 400 seats for the BJP-led National Democratic Alliance. After the results, media houses like the Express Tribune and Dawn took to questioning the accuracy of Indian exit polls. They stated that the exit polls have gotten Indian elections wrong in the past and cannot accurately judge the diversity of India. There's also been much commentary in Pakistan's media about the Indian general elections and especially on Prime Minister Modi. Fawad Chaudhry, a former PTI minister, sparked a controversy when he told Indian media houses that every Pakistani wanted Narendra Modi to lose the general elections. He added that the BJP-RSS alliance was spreading hatred against Muslims in India. He also extended his best wishes to India bloc leaders like Rahul Gandhi and Arvind Kejriwal. Pakistan's media has also featured criticism of Modi for increasing authoritarianism in India. In a segment last month, Shahzeb Khanzada, one of Pakistan's most famous television news anchors, attacked the Modi government. He pointed to alleged violations of press freedoms, jailing of opposition leaders, and silencing of critics as evidence that India was moving towards a one-party state. Pakistan's government has also made statements on India's elections. The country's foreign ministry spokesperson condemned Indian politicians for dragging Pakistan into their election campaigns in order to gain political mileage. Bureau Report, India Today Global.